Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can access the router. So see here, I will take this router, this is 2811. So in the real world, how you will access, you will take your router and then you will take your laptop or desktop and you need to connect with the console cable. This is a console cable. So you need to connect the console cable RS232 to the router. In the router you have the console port, you will click there. After that, here in this laptop you need to install the putty. In real world, putty software we have putty, we have secure CRT, we have lot of thing. Putty is freely available, so everyone is using putty in the company. So this is a putty. Okay, so here what I will do in this packet tracer, when you click on the laptop you don't have putty here, click the desktop, you have terminal here. So you need to click this terminal. Remember, like this is like a putty of the packet tracer. Okay, putty of the packet tracer. So you will click this one and then you will click OK. So when you click OK, you are able to access the router. See what we done here. Let me repeat again. See here, first you take your laptop, you have the router, you take the console cable. How you will take? If you want to delete this, then go here and click like this, it will delete. Console cable is this one, the blue color, sky blue. Click this and come here, click this, click to RS232 and click to the router here, click to console and then go here inside this one and go to terminal, click OK. So you are able to access the router. So here you can write no and press enable, and whatever the configuration you want to do, you can do the configuration. This way you will access in the real world also, but here you are using the terminal, we will use the putty. And what else means, if you want to see the physical look of this device, click here physical, go here in the home city corporate office and go to the main wiring rack and you can see this is your router. Okay, and if you see here whatever the cables are available here, it is showing here. You can take, this is a console cable. Okay, you can see which cable we have here. This one you can keep, this is a console cable, this is a copper cable, this is a crossover cable, this is a fiber cable you have. So if you want to take here, you can keep your laptop also here. You can reset the size, and here I can take my laptop like this. I can keep here, I need to take one table. So from here also we can add the table here. See, I will add the table here. I just click this one and then I will keep my laptop here, and then I need to connect this one, or I want one router, so I will take this router, I will install here. Okay, anywhere wherever you want to install, and then click here and inspect rear, click, so you have the rear view here. Okay, so you can see here is the console you have. So if you want to put that one, you can put. So what I will do, I will go here, this is a console cable, I will click here. Okay, I connected the console cable there. After that I need to click to the my laptop. So my laptop is here. So what I can do here, I can use the console cable, I will connect here. Okay, then I will go here where we have here the console. In the rear view you need to check and you need to apply here. So see, I connected the console cable. You can zoom in and check here, see, this way, and then click the this one and here go to desktop and check here in terminal. You cannot access. Why? Because this one is not connected properly. So what you need to do, you need to check again. You can remove this cable and connect here. Okay, you connected here. Now you go here and click this one. See, now you are able to access now. Okay, you are able to access the router here. So this way also you can look, this is a physical look. If you have one more device, example you have server, you can install here. Okay, and if you have IP phone, you can keep the IP phone here. And then if you have tablet here, smartphone, you can keep here the smartphone. And you have tablet, you can keep the tablet here. And if you have television, you can keep somewhere here. and if you want to connect, you can connect, or if you want to take the desktop, you can keep the desktop here where they keep the desktop. You can add more table also here. If you want to add more table, you can do. And let me install the routers, let me install the switch here. Like this you can insert layer 3 switch, whatever you need you can add here. Okay, so whatever devices you want to add here, you can add here. This is a physical look. This is a physical look. If you want the logical look, click here. So see logically this one. So anyhow, no need for going for physical look, just go one time and check how it looks, so that is okay. After that we can use logical look. And also all the time no need to connect your laptop here like this in the packet tracer. In the real world you need to do the same thing. In the real world you need to connect like this only, but here in the packet tracer just click the router and click the CLI, so you will get the CLI of the router. So directly you can do the configuration here even without going to the console of that one, CLI directly. So all the router whatever you have here, just click on the top and click the CLI, you are able to access that one. Same thing for switch also, whatever switch you are using, click there, you can access switch. If this one also, click here, you can access the switch. Okay, in the packet tracer only you have like this. In the real you cannot do. In the real you need to take your laptop, take the console cable. First time you need to carry your laptop and the console cable. So you can assign the IP address to the router and you can configure here telnet and SSH. So from next time onward you can take the remotely. Okay, so for that purpose you need to take. But here in the packet tracer we have facility, just keep on the click on the top, so you can access and you can do whatever configuration you want to do. If you want router, you click here, you will get all the routers whatever available in the packet tracer. If you need switch, click here and check here whatever switch you need, all the switches are available here. And if you click this, this is a hub. If you want to do any lab with the hub, you can do with the lab with hub also. And here if you click, this is a wireless device, all the wireless devices are available. If you need the controller, this is a WLC controller. If you need home router, this is a home router. If you need access point, these are the access points you have. Okay, and if you click, this is a firewall you have in the packet tracer. Whatever firewall you need, you can do here. If you need cloud, you can take cloud also here, you have cloud. If you need DSL modem, you can take, or cable modem, you have this one also. In the packet tracer, whatever you need, you can take here. Okay, and in the end devices you have the server controller also you have. This is a network controller. You have another one also, cyber observer, and data here, and printer you have here. If you need the printer, IP phone you need, on normal phone you need, analog phone, that is also available here. So you can easily do here. But anyhow, we are going to launch a new playlist for Packet Tracer 2025. So in that one we are going to teach you how to configure the device in the Packet Tracer. Okay, thank you, bye.